everyone, welcome to DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia. My name is Joanna and I am a marketing manager working here at SoftBank Telecom Europe. For years, Japan has been known as a cash-based country. People preferred the physical notes and coins over cashless transactions. In fact, back in 2021, cashless payments were only around 15.1% of all transactions and only rising very, very slowly. Just to give you a little bit of a comparison, the cashless payments in, for example, UK were at around 27%. However, this all changed with the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. In just 1 year, the cashless payment ratio in Japan grew from 15.1 to 32.5% in 2022 and still continues to grow. But what are Japan's most popular cashless payment methods? Why are QR code payment methods so popular in Japan, and are they here to stay? Should businesses have multiple cashless payment methods available at the checkout on their e-commerce website? Well, in this video, I'll try to answer all of these questions to help you understand the current situation of cashless payment methods in Japan. But before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and comment down below what is your favorite cashless payment method. Are you ready? Let's go! We can divide most popular cashless payment methods in Japan into 3 big groups. First one is credit cards, which is also the most popular cashless payment method around the world. In Japan, the credit card usage is as high as 77%, and the total amount of sales through credit cards issued by Japanese companies reached 74.4 trillion yen in 2022. In the second place, we have debit cards. When you pay with a debit card, the money is automatically deducted from the user's bank account, bank savings account. The total debit card payments in 2020, including J-debit as well as branded cards like Visa, reached over 2.2 trillion yen. And last but definitely not least, we've got emoney or digital money. Emoney is a service that uses digital data to settle online payments. As cash becomes digitalized, there is no need for manual offline transactions. Electronic money can be used for a variety of purposes, for example, prepaid payments. This method requires users to top up a mobile app or card prior to the transaction. And postpaid payments. Using this method, the user is charged at a later time. Recently, prepaid travel cards like Suica, which is used by over 58% of travelers in Japan, or QR code payment services like PayPay, which has over 50 million registered users, have gained significant popularity. Over half of the Japanese population at the moment uses the e-money solutions, and this number is predicted to further increase. In 2020, the total value of code payments that include both QR and barcode payments reached over 4.2 trillion yen. So let me talk a little bit more about the e-money and what types of e-money there are in Japan. So first off, we've got the transportation. IC, integrated circuit cards like Suica or ICOCA, can be used to pay for transportation like trains or buses or subway, or for purchasing goods at vending machines or stores. We've got prepaid cards. Those cards allow customers to pay electronically at convenience stores and supermarkets. Then we've got the credit cards. This type of payment works by linking the credit card to a e-money system, which eliminates the need for top-up before making a purchase. And QR codes. With this payment method, payments are done via a mobile phone, a smartphone, by linking a mobile app account with a credit card. I also mentioned that there are a postpaid cashless payment methods in Japan. Those methods are quite unique in Japan and may not be so popular anywhere else in the world. So let me quickly explain what these are. The first postpaid payment method is direct carrier billing. This method allows users to purchase products and digital content through their mobile phone carrier using a code. Then we have the web konbini or convenience store payments. This allows users to order goods and services online and pay for them at a later time at major convenience stores across the country. And the last one is the NP Atau Barai, which means debt protection post-payment. And this is a delayed payment that can be done at places like bank, convenience store, or post office. So you may wonder how contactless and cashless payment methods can affect your sales. According to a 2020 survey on e-commerce payment methods, credit card payment rates have decreased while e-money payment methods like PayPay have increased when compared to data from 2018. But does it really matter which payment option the business offers? And should businesses offer more than just one payment method available on their website? Well, participants were also asked about their preferred payment methods on e-commerce websites, and the results are very interesting. Both men and women pointed to credit card payments as their preferred method, followed by convenience store payments. In terms of age groups, credit card payments were used by less than 40% of teens, while other payment methods like convenience store, direct courier billing, PayPay, as well as cash on delivery were as high as 45%. For men in their 20s and 30s, convenience store, direct courier billing, PayPay, and cash on delivery exceeded 20%. I think it's safe to say that these results clearly show that it is very important for e-commerce sites to offer more than just one payment method. Respondents were also asked about what would they do if it was not possible to finalize an online transaction with their preferred payment method. The majority of respondents, 60%, of both men and women shopping for physical products, as well as 70% of men and 60% of women shopping for digital content, said that they would leave the site without purchasing anything. I think that these results clearly show that offering the customer's preferred payment method may be this final push that can make or break the sale. In addition to offering attractive products and services, businesses should prioritize offering popular payment methods, as this can truly lead to more conversions and more sales. I mentioned PayPay a few times, but I didn't really explain what PayPay is. So just to give you a quick overview, PayPay is like the largest Japanese digital wallet app. It was launched back in 2018 by SoftBank and Yahoo Japan, and has now over 50 million registered users. It is also the most downloaded app on the Japanese App Store. PayPay works like a prepaid card. There are no joining fees and there is also no minimum balance. And it is super easy to set up. Once you have the account, you top it up and you're ready to go. I truly believe that having a PayPay option at your checkout is a must for all businesses who want to increase their sales in Japan. While it is true that there are so many different payment options available, as I said, if the store lacks the user's preferred payment method, it may cause users to leave the site without finalizing the purchase. As I said, in Japan, there is a wide variety of different payment methods available for customers. Many people have their preferred payment method, and if it's not available on your website, it may cause abandoned carts and people simply purchasing similar products elsewhere. And just the pure amount of those unique payment methods that we might not be familiar with may be quite overwhelming. Fortunately, there is an easy way to manage all of those payments in one interface. SBPS, SoftBank Payment Services, covers all universal and native Japanese payment methods, so you can rest assured your customers' checkout experience is as smooth as possible. SBPS allows you to sort out all Japanese payment operations all in one place. It also helps attract international customers, settle invoices in Japanese yen, as well as sort out contracts, systems, and settlements, all within one interface. What services can you use with SBPS? SBPS offers safe and secure online checkout experience with a variety of payment methods available all at once. It is also available for in-store checkout and offers payment solutions customized to your needs, from private credit card terminals to multi-payment solutions supporting emoney, as well as the QR code payments. Career billing. SBPS covers all major credit card providers, so we can easily have all of them available on your e-commerce site. And finally, PayPay integration. Purchasing goods directly via PayPay app prevents the basket drops, as there is no need to enter credit card information. At DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia, we provide SBPS implementation services for overseas businesses. If you're interested in exploring this option for your business in Japan, and making it so much easier to manage all of your Japanese payment method solutions, please get in touch and we can schedule a free consultation to see how we can help and support your business. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you could learn something new about the cashless trends in Japan. As the demand for the cashless payments and the e-commerce continues to grow, more and more people continue to choose and prefer the online rather than offline shopping. The demand for cashless payments and e-commerce continues to grow. The data clearly shows that it has now become an integral part of any successful business in Japan. And the final question for any modern nation now is not if, but when the economy is going to become fully digital. In Japan, it is still unclear, but I think it is certainly looking more and more like it each year passing by. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to put on the notification bell. Remember, we post new videos every Monday. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much again, and I will see you very, very soon in the next one. Bye!